Hey guys, Tim Coates here with Ethos Car Care. I want to introduce another cool product today. This is our car wash shampoo. So what's cool about this product is it's pH balanced. It's made specifically for a maintenance wash in either a bucket or a foam lance or foam gun. What's really cool about this is we actually designed it with really cool polymers and surfactants that actually make the wash process really enjoyable. It's really slick, really sudsy, really foamy, and also makes it super easy to clean without having to worry about water spots and imperfections. Rinses off completely clean. So we're gonna go ahead and show you kind of the process on this beautiful Macan. As you can see, a little bit dirty right now. Needs a real full wash. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in a foam can in a bucket and show you guys how well this car shampoo works, because we worked really hard in creating this, making it something special. So we'll show you guys here in a second.
We dance.